Hello! Hi! Hi! Hello! Good morning to everyone! Ngayong aga in Ilonggo, ngayong buntag in Bisaya, magandang araw in Tagalog at mapya mapita sa ating mga kapatid ng Muslim. I am Sir Javon Dominic Ban.
Ay, joke lang.
This is our teacher, Sir Mark Onya. Sawadee-kap, sir! So this day we will discuss about the triangulation. We are going to start in our class discussion. First, let's discuss the meaning of triangulation. Triangulation, often used to indicate more than two methods used in a study, or it is called cross-examination.
Triangulation by Dr. Shaikh Abdul Malik Muhammad Ismail, Deputy Dean, School of Educational Studies, University Sains, Malaysia. The idea of triangulation is that one can be more confident with the result if different methods lead to the same result. If an investigator uses only one method, the temptation is strong to believe in the findings. Third, if an investigator uses two methods, the results may well clash. Fourth, by using three methods to get at the answer to one question, the hope is that two of the three will produce similar answers, or if three clashing answers are produced, the investigator knows that the question needs to be reframed, methods reconsidered, or both. It means that triangulation methods are used in a study with a view to double or triple checking results.
Let's discuss the history of triangulation.
History. The concept originating from ancient Greek mathematics is applied in a wide range of spheres including geometry and surveying. In navigation, it is used to establish a ship's position. Measuring a vessel's distance from more than one point on the shore gives a more accurate reading of its location. Triangulation was first applied to research by Campbell and Fish in 1959 and developed by Webb in 1966, who argued that researchers should employ more than one instrument to measure variables. As this implies, triangulation was first associated with quantitative research, but its soon relevance to qualitative methods was soon explored.
Classmates, I have a question. What is the best feeling in triangulation? Eddie, yung maka-feeling ka. Eddie, yung maka-feeling ka. Charot, charot.
Did you know, class, the best feeling in triangulation is to know its purpose? The main purpose of triangulation in educational and social science research is to increase the credibility and validity of the results.
Sir Javon, I have a question. Ano yun, Sean? Sir, what is the real goal of triangulation? Okay, Sean, the real goal of triangulation is to arrive at consistency across data sources or approaches. In fact, such inconsistencies may be likely given relative strengths of different approaches. Inconsistencies should not be seen as weakening the evidence, Sean, but should be viewed as an opportunity to uncover deeper meaning in the data. Thank you very much, Sir Javon. You are very approachable and very cute teacher. You are welcome, Sean. Mga ka-friendship, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of triangulation. First is data triangulation. Second, investigator triangulation. Third, theory triangulation. Fourth, methodological triangulation. And fifth, environmental triangulation. So mga ka-friendship, let's discuss the 5 types of triangulation.
First is data triangulations. Involve using different sources of information in order to increase the validity of a study. These sources are likely to be stakeholders in a program, participants, other researchers, program staff, other community members, and so on. In the case of an after-school program, for example, the research process would start by identifying the stakeholders groups such as youth in the program, their parents, school teachers, and school administrators.
Second is investigator triangulation. Investigator triangulation involves using several different investigators in the analysis process. Typically, this manifests as an evaluation team consisting of colleagues within a field of study wherein each investigator examines the program with the same qualitative method or interview, observation, case study, or focus groups. Theory triangulation. If methodological triangulation is the most satisfying, then pitting alternative theories against the same body of data as Denzin describes, theoretical triangulation is the most difficult. Denzin admits that few studies achieve it. He argues that triangulating theory will avoid the risk of researchers reaching a theoretical conclusions, selecting only those data which suit their pet views, or developing small-scale theory which has little relevance beyond the immediate situation. Next is methodological triangulation. Involves the use of multiple qualitative or quantitative methods to study a program. For example, results from surveys, focus groups, interviews could be compared to see if similar results are being found. If the conclusions from each of the methods are the same, then validity is established. Last is environmental triangulation. This type of triangulation involves the use of different locations, settings, and other key factors related to the environment in which the study took place, such as time, day, or season. The key is identifying which environmental factors, if any, might influence the information that is received during the study. In triangulation, classmates, there are advantages and disadvantages in triangulation. First, we will discuss the advantages. The advantages. The benefits of triangulation include increasing confidence in research data, creating innovative ways of understanding a phenomenon, revealing unique findings, challenging or integrating theories, and providing a clearer understanding of the problem by Thurman 2001. These benefits largely result from the diversity and quantity of data that can be used for analysis. The disadvantages. One of the primary disadvantages of triangulation is that it can be time-consuming. Second, collecting more data requires greater planning and organization, resources that are not always available to lead researchers by Thurman 2001. Namit. So this day, we will have a food for thought of the day. Food for thought. The concept and practice of triangulation has been current in social and educational research for decades and has a specific meaning, aims, and procedures. Over the years, however, the term has been used widely and loosely. Many studies claiming to use triangulation bear little resemblance to these principles and strategies. Sadilowski, 2003, 328, commented that having too much meaning, the word triangulation has no meaning at all. In conclusion, if you intend to use triangulation, it is important to be clear about which form you are using, why, and how you will do it, and to write that up clearly in your research report or dissertation. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you, Sir Mark Onya, and thank you, classmates. Keep safe and God bless everyone.